Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this 4-bedroom RV garage pool home. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. Alright guys, we're out here at 2515 Angler Drive. This was just listed for $1.350. It's a pretty unique property, sits on a huge double corner lot. Has a casita, pool, 4 bedrooms, a complete, fully passive owned solar system on natural gas. Right across the street to Avalon Park. It's like a little dog park. So this sits on the corner of Avalon and Angler, but the house faces Angler. Alright, let's go on in and check it out. So I believe those double doors go into the breezeway and the casita. And the main front door is right here. Cool little water feature waterfall. Alright guys, so this is a 4-bedroom, 4-bath pool home built in 2000. 2,827 square feet. Again, sits on a big double 20,000 plus square foot lot. Just listed for $1.350. So you have a real big window in the back. Take advantage of the pool area and the lake views. Little fireplace with some stacked stone. There's also a formal type dining room in front of the house. So you have a nice big kitchen, eat-at counter, tall ceilings and can lights, stainless appliances, little kitchen island with its own sink. So this kitchen does wrap around to the hallway. Oh, well, this isn't stainless, but... And then there's another little informal type dining area. And more windows with lake and pool shot. So you have closet to your right and a couple double door pantries and another closet, your indoor laundry and access to the garage, and then the master. So this is a split floor plan, so the master's on one side, guest bedroom's on the other. Has a door out to the backyard pool area. Nice tall vaulted ceilings in here as well. So you have your master bath, has dual sinks, tall ceilings in here as well, skylight, soaker tub. Has a huge walk-in shower with dual heads. So you have a nice little storage closet. The toilet has its own door. And then you have a big walk-in closet with a little lockout, maybe some type of safe setup. All right, so you have the other bedrooms, casita on the other side of the house. So at the rear of the house, you have a guest bedroom. They're using it as an office. Nice lake shot and pool view from the window. You have your guest bath in the middle of the hallway. So at the front of the house, you have another little junior master suite. Typical glass double door closet doors. So back over on the main master side, you have your indoor laundry, utility sink, and garage access. So let me try to make sense of this. So it looks like you have a 2-car with a 28-foot bay, a 2-car with a 30-foot bay. Both have insulated 8-foot doors. Looks like there's integrated speakers and central air in here. So since they have a full passive solar system, you can run your AC. So they did like the vinyl tiles on the floor. Pretty good idea. A lot of built-in storage. Master lifts on both doors so you get a little extra height. All right, so you have a 56-foot RV garage, 14 feet doors, 15 feet wide, again all insulated and air conditioned. They did epoxy floors over on this side. Door out to the backyard pool area. All right, so around the backyard has a real nice oversized back patio with some built-in tables. Which is kind of cool. I don't think I've seen that before. They also cool decked the patio. You have 2 of these built-in tables. Real nice lake views out here too. So you have a real nice side access. Here's all your solar panel stuff. Here's the breezeway with the double doors that go into the casita. Has speakers out here, a couple ceiling fans, a cool little outdoor shower. So you have a real good size casita, its own entry, AC, can lights. Looks like granite tops on the counters. Go ahead and tag yourself. So it has a little fridge, sink, microwave, So I think this is a quartz top actually. So it does have a little bathroom, walk-in closet, it's also a glass door walk-in shower, and the toilet has its own door, which everybody always asks me. All right, let's go check out the bar and pool. So you have a real cool bar setup. It's a barbecue, another like built-in table, little hibachi grill, HavasuLew. You have another little step down area where your pool lives. Has pop-up cleaners, quartz, plaster finish. It's actually a really nice pool. A little bit of artificial turf area. You have all your pool equipment behind this wall under the sun cover, and a cool little chill zone with a fireplace that looks like it's a gas starter. There's also lighting and seating under these blocks. Really nicely landscaped back here. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Angler. Again, this one was just listed for $1.350. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page or right below this video to get all the listing description, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.